Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, April 29th, and for today you have two chapters to read. You will be reading chapters 23 and 24. There's the PDF version of the story. Miss Anderson reading chapter 23 and Miss Anderson reading chapter 24. Once you get those two read, that's all you have for today. Maybe make some time to go back and listen to chapters from 11 to 23 maybe. Your summative will be over the second half of the book, so 11 through 29. So it might be a good time to start, like maybe going back and reviewing one chapter a day while you're reading these or listening to these with Miss Anderson. So if you have any questions, please let us know. Check your graded assignments in PowerSchool. Email us if you have any questions or concerns. Tomorrow we will be having a Google Meet at 9 o'clock in the morning. And we hope to see you then. Have a great day. Bye.